Good morning, guys. We are headed off to the dealership bright and early. It's 6:35 right now. Gonna get there, drop off the car, let them diagnose whatever it is, and then, hopefully I get a loaner, get to work. They will call me. Tanya will probably call me with what's going on, and we'll go from there. So fingers crossed that it goes well, guys.
Two hours later.
All right, guys, here we are. We got the loaner. It's the same day. I got off of work. I got the loaner still, so that means that the GSF is not ready. Sorry if you hear planes flying by or these cicadas making crazy noises, but let me give you an update with the car. So Tanya called me, updated me. They found out that it is the rear left wheel speed sensor. So they ordered it. She said she's gonna get it Thursday night, Thursday afternoon, so the car will be ready on Friday. I will pick it up Friday afternoon. But in the meantime, while I got you here, I wanted to show you this car here. From the outside, it looks exactly like the white GS350 loaner that I got previously from my fuel pump recall. So I thought it was the same car, but it is not. This, ladies and gentlemen, is a 4-cylinder 2.0 turbo. That snail is right in there. Nice, compact. And I was driving on the highway going to work and then coming home, and I'm like, well, this engine felt really smooth. The powertrain was smooth. It felt a little torquey. I'm like, man, what is this? This V6 from the one that I drove last time didn't feel like this. Granted, on the top end when I was flooring it, man, it was dead. This thing was not moving on the top RPMs, and that's because the small engine, small displacement, probably a baby snail that can't keep up. So, but low end, driving around the city, it feels decently torquey. I'm not gonna lie, it's very smooth and decently torquey. But that GS350 had the top end. It pulled on the top end for what it was compared to this. And I don't know which one I like better. I'm gonna drive this today and tomorrow before I get my car back, and we'll see if I like the V6 better than this 2.0 turbo. But a couple specs that I looked up of this car. So it's a 2-liter turbo, makes around 247 horsepower and around 258 pound-feet of torque, which is not bad for this car. For stock, it's a heavy car. It's got a lot of weight to move, but it does get around and moves well. So, and the fun thing is, this car is rear wheel drive only, no all-wheel drive. So if you wanted to, you could roast the rear tires on this bad boy, but that's pretty cool. I didn't know that until I looked into it. So good to know. Great car. That's the update with the GSF. I will get it back on Friday fixed, and it should be covered under warranty. Tanya did not mention anything about pricing, so I'm guessing it's covered under the warranty. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe below, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.